Many times when you're working to complete an assignment for a class, you'll need to format the paper correctly. Now, sometimes professors provide templates, but in the case that you have to submit an assignment and there's no template provided, I wanted to give you just a quick guide of how you can format a document on Google Docs so that it meets the Turabian style requirements. So the first thing you'll want to do is go into your drive. From here, you'll want to click New Google Doc. This will open up a new Google Doc. Now for now, we can just type this, or we can just title this Formatting Practice. Now some things to note initially. One of them is that you'll want to make sure that your normal text is Times New Roman. To do that, you'll go under the font drop down here, click Times New Roman, and we'll just put test in here. Now, to make sure that all of your text is Times New Roman, what you can do is actually update the normal text setting. To do that, you click under normal text and you say update normal text to match. Now, what this will do is make sure that whenever you add in any additional text, it follows the formatting of whatever text is selected. So in this case, I've selected the text here, and you'll see it's normal text Times New Roman. The other thing you want to make sure is that the font size is size 12. So let's go over here under font size and adjust this to 12-point font. Now again, let's go back under normal text to make sure that it's updated. So now what this means is that any other time you type, it will come up as this normal text of Times New Roman 12-point font. Now, in addition to the 12-point font, you'll also want to make sure that your margins are all 1 inch. To do that, you'll go up here and go under Page Setup, File, Page Setup, and then you'll make sure that the whole document, whole document is both portrait. Paper size is 8.5 by 11 inches, and then here's where you can adjust the margins. Now, as you'll see, this is the standard, and so the margins are set to 1 inch all around. Click OK, and that'll make sure that your fonts, that your page formatting is 1 inch margins. The last characteristic that you'll need to make sure your text has is that it's all double spaced. So if you see here and you would keep typing, it'll come out as single space. Now let's again highlight this text. Here you'll see there is a line and paragraph spacing drop down. You click this and shift this to double space. Now this applies to this particular paragraph, but you'll want this to apply to everything that you write. So again, we're going to update our normal text style. We'll go update normal text to match. One final thing that you might find helpful is you can use these styles, the style drop down, to adjust your headings. And so let's just practice here with heading number 1. Let's say you have different subheadings. We'll want this to be bolded, and this will be our heading 1. Again, you can update the style. So now every single heading you have will again have the same style that you want. Again, you can go down here, heading 1, you'll see it automatically adjusts. So that's how you can initially format a Google Doc document so that it has the correct Turabian style format requirements.